मैं तो अपने हिसाब से अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रही थी और काफ़ी गलत जी रही थी। अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना मुझे कोई ऐसी काबिलियत की बात नहीं लगती, ऐसी सुबह सुबह नहाना भी मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं लगती फिलहाल। ऑलवेज वांटेड अ सी व्यू अपार्टमेंट, सो लाइक आई हैव अ स्मॉल हाउस व्हिच हैज अ सी व्यू. आई लिव इन एन आइलैंड. Have I become that girl? I'm very happy. I always wanted to become that girl. Today I'm going to show you what all I ate in my one meal a day, but I'm also going to show you how my life is. I woke up at around 6:30 and this is the view from my apartment. Usually I'm a late riser, but for the last few days I've been trying to wake up early. So far it's a good experience, but I see no big achievement in waking up early. I think you should sleep as much as you can, 8 to 9 hours every day. My Dee is already here. She helps with the dusting, the washing of utensils, cleaning. So that's why I always say do not compare somebody's schedule with your schedule, because I've seen a lot of people who follow me are also mothers, they are wives, you know. So they can't have the same schedule like me, because I'm single, I don't have kids, so I have less responsibility. I'm a full-time businesswoman, but still it's nothing compared to having kids, right? So she's always there to help me. So because of her, I can actually cook my meals whenever I want, because she, you know, cleans it up for me. And I think I'm very grateful to have her. So these days I've started practicing gratitude, and for that you don't really have to actually write everything down. You can just think about it, like I showed you that, you know, I always wanted a sea view apartment, so like I have a small house which has a sea view. I live in an island, and Didi is there to take care of me while I'm away from home. So you know, just pure gratitude. Now I'm gonna go and drink a lot of water, like around 750 ml of water, and then I'm gonna freshen up. Okay, so that's how the day is gonna start. It's 7:15 and I'm just taking my thyroid medication, 75 mcg with 750 ml of water. This is usually my morning routine. Then I massage my head, neck and shoulder. It has really helped me with my anxiety. Please guys, try it. And now again I would want to show you how the light is appearing beautiful. I reply to the text that I get. I laugh at reels for half an hour. It is my therapy to laugh on reels. When people tell you do not watch reels, just tell them shut up. I made detox water with orange, lime, beetroot and chia seeds, and I kept it for 4 hours. I'm going to drink it throughout the day. थोड़ा सा फ्रेशन अप होके ब्रश वगैरह करके मैं यूजुअली कमरे की सफाई करती हूँ, बट आज मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम है, डिलीवरेबल्स हैं जो मुझे देने हैं. अभी क्या है, आई स्टार्टेड माई स्मॉल प्रोडक्शन हाउस इन 2023. तो इट्स स्टिल वेरी स्मॉल. तो क्या है कि बहुत सारा काम 2-3 लोगों को ही करना पड़ता है, एंड आई एम वन ऑफ देम. तो मुझे कल शाम को कुछ चीज़ें डिलीवरेबल्स के लिए आई थी, कुछ चेंजेस आए थे, तो वो मैं कर रही हूँ. मीन वाइल आई एम ड्रिंकिंग माई वाटर, एंड मैं हमेशा शाम को नहाती हूँ. ये मेरी आदत है. तो मेरा 24 आवर्स का नहाने का साइकिल होता है. अगर मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना है तो मैं शाम को अपना वॉक वगैरह करके और फिर अपना जो खाना खाना है उससे पहले नहाती हूँ, और फिर मैं आराम से बैठ के खाती हूँ, और फिर नेक्स्ट डे का भी सेम प्रोसेस है. आई नो कि इट्स नॉट ग्रेट, बट यू नो, मुझे लगता है कि आप उठ के नहा रहे हो, ब्रश कर रहे हो, अपनी इतनी केयर कर रहे हो, तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट लाइफ करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. अपने हिसाब से करो, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर डूइंग द थिंग्स यू आर सपोज टू डू, राइट. सो वो जैसे मैंने बोला कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना मुझे कोई ऐसी काबिलियत की बात नहीं लगती, ऐसी सुबह सुबह नहाना भी मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं लगती फिलहाल. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग जैसे जैसे मेरी यू नो हेल्थ इश्यूज ठीक होंगे, मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, ये सब चीज़ें भी खुद ही ऑर्डर में आ जाएंगी. आई डोंट वांट टू फोर्स देम, यू नो. ऑलरेडी मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रही हूँ. तो नाउ आई एम गोना डू माई वर्क, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोना क्लीन माई रूम. ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट वर्क नाउ. ओके. I love a clean room. My hall is not that clean. It's very messy, but my bedroom and my workspace is always clean. So I clean it so I can start my day. As you can see, I filled all my water bottles, cleaned my room. It just took me around 15 to 20 minutes. This is my workspace. This is where I make all the videos. After this, I play some music, and around 1:15 I prepare my meal. So I boil my eggs and my chole. If I'm having chole, I boil them in the afternoon 1:15 to, क्योंकि you know just to save some time. And then I do my skincare after taking a shower. Around 2 I took a shower, 2 to 3 I take a shower, and did some breathing exercises, skincare. मज़ा आ गया. I washed my face, applied some rose water, and now I'm applying toner. अब मुझे पता चला लोग क्यों इतना फेस पे करते हैं चीज़ें. Amazing. I massaged my face with body cream, which is not great, but I still loved it. And today I did something amazing, which I'm doing after years. Applied sunscreen. Have I become that girl? I'm very happy. I always wanted to become that girl. It's actually a nice sunscreen. I just watched some random video and got it. It's actually nice. I hope I have applied it properly. किसी को पता हो सनस्क्रीन कैसे अप्लाई करना है, मैंने कम लगाया है, ज़्यादा लगाया, तो मुझे प्लीज़ बता देना. मैं तो अपने हिसाब से अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रही थी और काफ़ी गलत जी रही थी. While I did my skincare and breathing exercises, my chole and anda are ready. I'll just keep it aside. Then I'm going to cut some vegetables, capsicum, onion, paneer for my stir-fried paneer sabzi. And it is very simple. I've also put some rice. So this is rice and this is paneer. I'm stir-frying it in ghee, curd, of course. My detox water is also ready. So I started drinking it. I'm going to drink it till 8 p.m. Now I'm going to put some soya sauce in the paneer, and I'm going to put some salt, black pepper. I do a lot of things at the same time, you know, drinking water and everything. I made this curd raita, apple curd raita, which has curd, apple, grated and cut, and of course the black pepper, black salt, and I put a lot of chaat masala. It is amazing for my probiotic, fiber, as well as sugar, so I don't get any sugar cravings after eating it. This is amazing, guys. You guys must try it. Don't overthink your food. So this is the meal: chole, anda, paneer, stir fried, rice, and I have the raita which I made, and detox water. And thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat this meal. 6 to 7 is my time of eating. I chew slowly. If you like the video, please subscribe.